When you see this Watalappam, what do you think? You want to make it? Come, we'll all get together and make this Watalappam. Very soon, quickly, you can make the Watalappam. So, it's only 3 ingredients are used. So, we will make and see how you could quickly make the Watalappam. Watalappam is very tasty. So, we will make and see how it comes. To make the Watalappam, we need 5 eggs, 250 grams of jaggery and 1 cup milk. It can be coconut milk, it's better. So, we will see how this is done. Most of you know how to make it, but still we will see how the real way of making the Watalappam. Now, we have taken jaggery 250 grams. Actually, I am not doing with 250 grams, I am doing with less quantity because I am making with 3 eggs. So, if you are taking 5 eggs, 250 grams of jaggery, you take it. Now, here I have taken 190 grams, okay, and milk. We need 1 cup fresh coconut milk, but I have taken little less than 1 cup. I will put a little and slightly we will warm this up. Warm it and keep it ready so that the jaggery will get diluted, nicely mixed. Okay, let that be. Now what I am going to do is, I told you that I am going to do with 3 eggs. So, I will take 3 eggs and slightly beat it. Normally 5 eggs, remember 250 jaggery, 5 eggs. Just beat it slightly. We don't have to beat more, just beat it slightly. Take this and I am going to pour it. Before that, I will put the milk first because I don't want the jaggery to get boil and become the eggs to get cooked. I'll put the balance milk here, mix it, stir it. It's very tasty preparation, isn't it? Everybody likes Watalappam. When you have biryani, Watalappam is the best. But not only that, anytime you can have this Watalappam, neither. So you can have it. It's nice to serve. I didn't boil it because I didn't want to boil too much also, because if you boil it, what happens is the egg will there will be sand sometime, there will be dirt in this, so we will mix it nicely. I'll add a little vanilla essence. Cardamoms, or 3 or 4 cardamoms you put. A little bit of nutmeg. Right. Now what we are going to do is, we will mix all these together and pour it into a bowl. What's the bowl I have taken? See, a bowl, oil paper at the bottom, butter it nicely and put the mixture. Now we are going to steam this. Right, I will show you how we are going to steam it. I have put a little water in the steamer, small bowl at the bottom. Put this, keep the Watalappam, and you don't have to cover with the lid, and we boil this. You saw how it is done. Now you have to steam this, right? 45 minutes, 50 minutes you will see that it has got steamed nicely. Easy to steam this way, and Watalappam is very easy to make also. And it's a little tricky, that's the main thing. Like you have to strain the jaggery with a little milk. Normally I boil it nicely. Sometimes it has no time for us to do that. So I quickly strained it and took it. Otherwise I boil half of the milk and the jaggery together, all the jaggery together, and nicely stir till it gets boiled and it's nicely dissolved. After that, strain into the egg. As soon as you take the Watalappam from the bowl and you cool a little, before you cool, put the cashew nuts. Half cashew nuts, you can nicely decorate it, and then cool, you can leave it in the fridge. Once you take it, a spoon is taken out, you will find that it becomes a bit watery like. So once and for all, you serve and have it. Otherwise, in small cups, you can put and steam it also. Take a big tray, put water, small cups you can have, like these small cups you can have, and you can put the Watalappam and steam it. You can see the Watalappam that I have made it. Now it's easy to make, and you also can prepare like this and see how it comes. But I made only with 3 eggs, please remember. And then I didn't put 1 cup of milk, I put only 3/4 cup of milk. And even the jaggery, I didn't put 250 grams, I put less than that, 190 grams only. So remember, 250 jaggery, 1 cup milk, 5 eggs that you have to put, and make this nice Watalappam, which will be nice and tasty. And what we put? We put the nutmeg and the cardamoms, that's all, and a little vanilla essence. It's nice to serve. Anytime you can serve. After, you don't have to wait to have biryani and then have the Watalappam. Any food, any time you can have the Watalappam. Make it and see how it comes.